Hey, my name is Said Mujib and it's day 2. So we are talking about my own speaking skill and I am improving on it. That's why I'm making this video. So day 2, it's our topic. What's your pronoun? Your pronoun must be hurting someone. That's why you are watching this video. I am got right. So our first question is, do you like to talk about yourself? Do you like to talk yourself? Then you are normal. If you don't, you are psychopath, man. You are psychopath. Study shows that if you talk to yourself about your goals in your own voice and mind, everyone just do, especially introverts, they talk to themselves in their mind, in their own voice. I should not go. I should sleep. Yes, I got you right. I got you. So it's completely normal that every human being talk their self in their mind to themselves. Our next point is limit your eyes. Not these eyes. I mean ami, me, am, ami. So count of numbers that you talk every day. How much time you say I. In 1980, there is a research happened in America where 18 men and 18 women were taken part in this test. They have to give a speech on their self, how they are or how doing their life, and the scientist counted the guinea pigs, I mean the men and women, that how many times they said I. If you say I am a good boy, I go there, I eat rice, I love ice cream, I love cricket, I love football, I love swimming, etc. That's the biggest problem. Shown psychology says if you use I more than it's natural, then it's not okay to say I. Rather than say, you can say me. My name is Said Mujib. I love cricket and many other sports like cricket, football, swimming, etc. If you use I excessive, that's a very big problem, my brother or sister. So improve your psychology by not using much I, not this I. Okay, thank you. Our next point is when to use I, not this I, this I. Okay. I is basically used when you are being assertive, meant when you are 110% sure that it will be that answer. 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. I am damn sure that could be 4. That will be 4. Then use I know 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. That's so you are very confident. One, you are very confident. Secondly, you can use for your rights. When you know your rights, the government made so many laws for us, and something is mishappening to you and you know the right, then you will say I pay my taxes and I know my rights. That shows you confident. Meant when you are correct 110%, then you have to use I. Let's assume another example. Suppose you don't know 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. You said 5. And you know that if the answer might be wrong, then you must use I. I know 2 plus 2 is equal to 5. That shows you very, 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 very low. And when you are 110% or then more in your imaginations, then use I. I know 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. That's example, guys. Our second use of I, not this I is when you want to introduce a potentially controversial opinion. That's mean. Okay, find it. So we all are humans and we have our own feelings, own thoughts. I have my own thoughts, you have your own thoughts, okay? But when it's come to religion or political, just gossip or something discussion, use I, because your whatever you thinking can't be same and as you can expect that he is thinking same also. If you are good friends, you know each other very well, then it could be same. Otherwise your friends that who have came from another environment, another religious, another difference between you and him or her, so your thought and her or his thought could be different. So use I, because the thought is your I think Muslims are good than Hindus. I have used I. You cannot blame me that Hindus, Muslims are the best. It's not the fact. I'm saying I. So the thoughts are directing me that's are my thoughts. Your could be different, or other could be a political. I am not. I think your talk could not be facts. It should be your fact. It should be your thoughts, not facts. You are not saying truth. You are not a judge. Your thoughts are yours. Everyone their thoughts. So use I in this case, religion or politics. Thank you. Our third example of use of I, not this I, is when you want to claim credit of an idea. Suppose you are in a team or you are alone. No one is ours without our parents. Our parents are really ours. No one. So suppose you are alone and you made an idea and you work upon it and it succeeded. Other hand, the same people, the other people, that guy working on same project, but he is 1 month or 2 months late to execute, or he is competing, and you went to Supreme Court or court. Then you say that's my idea and I have copyrighted it, CC. So Instead of taking credit, you say I made the idea, I executed the idea. No one, my brother, no one. You watch the video, I made the video, I have credit to myself. Okay. Our next point is you cut down use of I and instead of talking we. That's a very powerful thing you can use in your communication skill. Whether you are in a business field, when you are a joint corporation, that shows a deep set of harmony to your communication partner. Let's see some example. Whether you, rather than you can say, I think the meeting start at 3, you would say, we have to be at meeting room by there 3, right? That shows that you are a same field, that you are trying to be friend or be a business partner. That shows a bond that you are same and you have used we. Second example, I remember the summer of 2012, it was really hot. Instead of saying this, you can say, we had a really hot summer in 2012. Now you can see the difference from this to this. This is a very powerful thing, that rather than using I, you can say we. That shows the bond. For third example, I think the house will be too expensive. Rather than say this, you can say, we need to find out whether the house will be too expensive. That shows you are the same kind of person and you are struggling in the same problem, that whether the house could be very expensive. So this is a common point that help a lot in a business field, or rather than any other field you are working with your communication partner. So we have ended this day 2, and your exercise are track your I, not this I, this I. Count up number of I you say in a day. I know it sounds impossible, that how can I manage I tell I in a day, but in your subconscious mind it will help you a lot in your future if you do right now. Rather than say I have just said I, shit, I have don't used to say I will say less I the rest day. Exercise 2. Count the number of we when you are talking with your communication partner. It will help a lot. That's 110%. I can write down to you that using we will benefit your business, your which field you are working, and your communication partner. So track the number of we to use and track the number of I not to use. I have said three place to use I, that were when you are being assertive, when you are introduce controversial opinion, and when you claim credit of an idea.